Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have an admin account and a stable network connection. Open Settings and go straight to Network and Internet, then Proxy. This is where automatic and manual proxy setups live. Once there, keep your current connection type in mind because proxy rules can differ for Ethernet versus Wi-Fi. Meanwhile, open Windows Security and navigate to Firewall and Network Protection so you're ready to compare rules after checking proxy entries. This gets you into the right panels quickly and safely. You now inspect proxy settings closely. First, disable any setup script unless you know the URL, and make sure Automatic Detect is enabled to let Windows attempt detection. For manual proxy, if address or port fields are populated and you didn't set them, clear them and save. That often resolves captive issues. Once done, open Command Prompt as admin and run netch win show proxy to confirm the system proxy state. This tells you whether a proxy is still applied outside the settings app. Finish by auditing firewall rules for the active network profile. You should open Firewall and Network Protection, pick the active profile, and check allowed apps to ensure your app or service is permitted. If it's blocked, add a specific inbound or outbound rule for the program or port. Be precise, use the app path or port number. Once done, test connectivity. If problems persist, briefly disable the firewall to confirm whether it's the cause, but make sure to re-enable it immediately after testing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.